What's up YouTube? Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny Birdy Gator. You guys, I am so in love with this new brand that Target just put out, More Than Magic. I'm going to be showing the cutest, the girliest, and the prettiest back to school supplies in this video. You guys, I am so in love. I mean, look at these colors. You guys, look at this eraser. This is $1.99. It is so pretty. This planner is $9.99. It comes with a fuzzy pen. It says, actually, I can. I think we can open it up. It comes with little sticky notes. It comes with stickers. Everything is just so pretty. This starts in July and goes through June. So you guys can use this planner all year. You guys, it's a little awkward for me to put my leg up and show you the planner, and there's not really any counter space here, but you guys, this planner is $9.99. I love the pastel rainbow. I love the fuzzy pen. Wow. Okay, what do we have here? We have some cute 99-cent slimes in a little container. Everything on this display is under $10. Okay, let's talk about locker decor. They have this little light up magnetic locker mirror. Look at that. The lights change color and they flash. Isn't that cute? That's $4.99. This is a little light up magnetic locker cup. Look at that. That's $5.49. And then we have some locker magnets. These are $4.39. Some more little magnets. They kind of look like stickers. These are magnets. And these are just $1.99. And then we have a little magnetic letterboard. It feels kind of heavy. It feels like it's going to be a nice quality piece. And this is sort of felty. And it comes with 145 letters and symbols. That's really cute for your locker, $5.99. And then a little carpet for $6.99. You guys, to be honest, I think we could make something like this for a whole lot cheaper. This is just a tiny bit of fabric. I mean, it is really pretty and coordinating, but I think you guys could probably use your creativity and make something for far cheaper than $6.99. These water bottles are $10 each. How much do they hold? It doesn't say, but it does say hand wash only. These are little highlighters for $2.99. And then they have some pencil sharpeners. This is a deluxe pencil sharpener for $4.99. And it looks like it comes with a little clamp. So if you want to put it on your desk or counter somewhere, you could do that. Again, the erasers are $1.99. I love those so much. And then we have some more planners. These are $9.99. This is more of a personal size planner. Let's take a peek inside. And then this is a jumbo journal. And it comes with some bonus stickers. Those are also $9.99. Now this is very substantial and thick. Feels really nice. The quality feels really nice. We have some matching notebooks here for $2.19. Has a really pretty like galaxy shimmer to it. This is a little multi-pocket folder for $1.69. And they also have the matching binders for $4.99. $1.69 for the sparkle wherever you go. So pretty. $2.19 for the notebooks, and the spiral seems much thicker than most notebooks. Find Your Light. These are $1.99. Look at all that hollow. I just love the holographic shine. I'm pretty sure these are just lined. Yeah, they're just your basic lined paper, and it says you are amazing. $1.69 for these. Again, the spiral is much larger. And $1.69 for the matching paper folder. This is what it looks like on the inside. This binder down here is actually a light up binder for $7.99. Let's try it out. Can we? Oh, that's so cute, you guys. You see the lights? They change colors and they sparkle. They flicker, they change colors. I really like that. Guess what, you guys? We have more We have more up here and more on the other side. These feel kind of bendy and a little bit gummy. These are $1.99. These rulers are really cute with the sparkles. If you want something for your backpack to make it cute, they have these cute little puff balls. It's Bunny Birdy Gator backpack accessories here at Target. We have the purple. Look at this. Ooh, so pretty. Look at that, you guys. Oh my gosh. I love that. And then I think we have a white bunny in here. No, that's not a white bunny. That is a rainbow. A rainbow? These are all $2.99. Let's go around to the other side. More cuteness over here, you guys. Some of the items are already sold out. There's a unicorn pouch that's sold out for $6.99, but look at this one. This is $5.49. I love the silver. It has a little shaker heart, and the back is just silver. You guys, I am so in love with this line. Again, we are looking at the More Than Magic line of locker decor and back to school accessories here at Target. This feels really nice and padded and the hollow. And for $5.99, we have the kind of iridescent unicorn skin. It's kind of clear, but there is a little bit of a starry design. This pencil case is all gummy and good, like a big piece of candy. It says amazing on it. Whatever was here is sold out, $5.49. I don't even know, you guys. Then we have some Sequin Journals for $8.99. Again, you guys, a lot of these items are giving me Justice vibes. There's a whole nother display over there. I might show you guys a few pieces from that display because it's more from the More Than Magic line, and there are planners and some other little back to school things, but mostly like beauty items over there, lotions, scrubbies, bath bombs, and stuff like that. These are scented rainbow gel pens, and they're $4.99. These are pencils, hollow pencils. I feel like Family Dollar might have these for $1, but they're $1.99 here. $1.99. They have some stickers. How many stickers do we get? Oh, they have some big ones and some little ones. We get 8 sheets of stickers. The donut notepad for $4.49. Unicorn lovers, look what I found. This is a unicorn binder. It's just white on the inside. I am so in love with the pastel colors. Look at this one. This is actually a folder for $1.69. I love the shiny gloss on the unicorn. And look at this cute little notebook. Look how shiny that is. I love that treatment. That is so amazing. $2.19. And yes, you guys, the back has unicorns, but it doesn't have the shine. Again, we have some more light up items. Isn't that pretty? Some more light up journals. I think we looked at that one already. Ooh, look at this one. This one doesn't light up though. This is just a normal journal for $7.99. The light up ones are $8.99. This is $6.99. Is it just a notebook? Yeah, it is. It's just a notebook. And then down here for $7.99, we have another journal with some pens. Again, I love the gloss. $2.19 for, again, the glossy notebook. It's not glossy on the back. How many pages do we get? Let's see. Does it say? We get 100 pages. The shiny matching folder for $1.69. Put your message here. I really like this for $8.99. It's a holographic message journal. And we have even more hollow items down here for $2.19. Shine all day. Look at that. And then down here we have one with a heart on it, and it's just a folder for $1.69. But let me run down here and show you guys really quick. Let me show you a couple other items that come from the same line, the More Than Magic line. We have some additional planners over here and journals and cute things. This is a jumbo journal. They have more journals here. If you guys are all about that journal or that planner life, they have the ultimate cutest here in the More Than Magic line. Well, this one is the most expensive that I've seen in the More Than Magic line. This is actually over $10, and if I can get it out. After 2 minutes of struggling with this, you guys, I finally got it out. It kind of has that like gummy, sticky, like it was sticking to the other book sort of texture, but it comes with the fuzzy pen. Yes, you guys, those are my earrings. I just had one fall out. But this one is so, so cute. It has the little sticky notes, and you guys, it has the bonus stickers. I just really love this one because it's hollow. I love the stickers. The little dividers are cute too. It's good to be a girl. Don't forget these priorities, important stuff. Do not forget, see the donut? Dreaming of blank, my favorite outfits are. So it kind of has little cute aspects of being a journal. I love the open format here. Everything is just so, so cute. Here pretty soon, I'm gonna be doing a planner giveaway. So if you are all about that planner life and all about organizing your life, your school year, your work year, your home life, definitely be on the lookout for my planner giveaway. It's gonna be cute and it's gonna come with planner stickers. But you guys, they just have so many cute things here in this More Than Magic line. Super, super cute locker decor, super cute journals, notebooks. Look at this cute pencil pouch. It's all shaker style. I love that. That's $5.49. They have little hand sanitizers for $2. Lippies, brushes, hair glitter. They have on this side like just bath bombs, lotions, body sprays, more lip balms. They have the scrubbies, the bath soaks. You guys, this line is everything right now. Again, that's the More Than Magic line. Here at Target, you guys, there is a lot to look at and even more cuteness. I don't even think we looked at these pens yet. These pens are $1.49. They even have the super cute glitter ones. The puffy ones, those are $1.49. And even the cute little erasers, these are super cute. Are they scented? I don't think they're scented. They have lemon, they have kiwi, they have, what is that one supposed to be? Strawberry? I think it's supposed to be, yeah, strawberry. So cute, you guys. And even more cute little items over here. Nail polish, little bags, locker bags, lippies, monogram brushes. They have super, super cute like mini purses. I am so, so in love with this brand right here. You guys, everywhere I go, I'm just finding more. Like, I love this. They have phone cases. They have charging cables, earbuds. They even have wallets. I'm in love, you guys. This is a girly girl's dream come true. Everything is just so pretty. Pretty much everything is 10 and under and 5 and under, with the exception of the $13.99 hollow planner. And how much are some of these purses? Let's check and see in these little bags. Most of these are $9.99. So yeah, you guys, the entire collection is practically $10 and under. But you guys, I'm out of here. You guys have probably heard me say the word cute a million times. I'm so sorry for that, but there's no other way to describe all this goodness. But hey, you guys, I'm out of here. If you guys want to see more locker decor videos and more back to school videos and more, you know, like $10 and under and $5 and under videos, you guys give this video lots of love. Share with me down in the comments everything that you want to see for back to school season, because that's what I'm doing here on my channel, you guys. I'm going to get you guys ready for back to school and make sure you do it on a budget. But all right, you guys, I'm out of here. Love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.